Alright, what up everybody? We're here with the RSX. So we've been running into some issues. The thing has like no power, pull codes on it, and we're getting an O2 sensor code. However, we're not getting the highest compression either. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to throw in these new O2 sensors, specifically the upstream ones, see if that makes a difference. If not, I think we're going to have to further tear into this motor and see what's going on.
So here we have the upstream O2 sensor, also the downstream one, and then we also got a defouler, so I can use this extension to put on the downstream to hopefully not get any more check engine lights. But this is the main one that we're worried about. This is what controls your air to fuel ratio, but if this doesn't work, I'm not sure what else to do. I'll cut over to Nate to better explain.
Damn.
So what are you doing right now, Nate?
I'm going to be jacking off the vehicle.
Okie dokie.
This thing is very low.
It's stupid low.
I could even see like the pinch welds.
E-brakes on?
Yes.
I'm not like damaging anything. That's funny.
What's that?
There's already a non-fouler.
Is it really?
There's... What the fuck? Holy shit! There's no bolts up there. This thing... I don't know what that is, but is that a giant fucking hole? What the fuck?
What?
I don't even know what that is!
You're scaring me.
Oh, I think it's because like, yeah. But Jesus. Yeah,
This exhaust is fucked.
yeah. But you can see your non-fouler that they put in for the downstream. This is the one that we're worried about. Should have your signal. This will give voltage when this thing is heated up to a certain point. You have a heater wire, which could be wrong, but I don't know what the fuck that does. And then you got your ground. So we'll go ahead and connect our ground to one of these black wires and our other lead to our signal, which will be the blue. I'll find a way. Make sure it's on voltage. Yeah, that's good. You just tell me if you see anything change. See how it's climbing?
Yeah.
This thing works. So look at it again. So it's dropping down. So when the car's not doing anything, it's going to be, it's still probably warm. That's why it's giving off the voltage. But you can see when I go to increase the temperature of it, you'll see it climb up. If I can keep my hands on the fucking correct wires. Or it should at least fluctuate like that. So this one works. This one definitely works. I would say let's go ahead and do a comp test or a leak down test. That's gonna be the answer, honestly.
So it looks like my upstream O2 sensor works. The last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a leak down compression test to test the health of my piston piston rings, and if those are bad, we're just going to need a new engine. That's what it is. So we're gonna get the car back down and then do our leak down test, and then we'll get back to you guys. All right, we're gonna do the first crank with all the spark plugs and fuel pump relay disconnected. Fuck.
That's good. That's really good.
That's bad. But when it was dry, I had it at 110. Oh, it is? What the?
That's what I said. I really wanted to double check, but check the other one.
So maybe I was doing it wrong? Because I was doing it one by one and putting the spark plugs back in. Okay.
Great news. You make 180 on cylinders 1, 2, and 4. About 160 to 165 on cylinder 3. Let's dive into this more.
You guys saw in that last video that it was like 110 compression, but I was doing it with all this, all the spark plugs in, and then taking one out individually. I guess this is the better way to do it. And then, so now it's at 180, except for one cylinder being 160. But we're still gonna do the leak down check.
I will say, because I just looked up how much the compression should be. It says the low is like 170, so that cylinder's probably fucking bonk.
Really?
Yeah. The highs are over 200, bro.
Oh, okay.
And we are not making you work for that.
So it's still a low compression.
Yeah. And then cylinder 3 is pretty low.
Yeah, I think it needs to be within 10 psi of.
Yep. Like, they do have quite a bit of leeway, but not that much. That's, well, fuck. Boost it. No, I'm just kidding. It's low compression. Just
Should we
boost to it.
Should we do the leak down just for shits and giggles?
I'll do the leak down on this one, on cylinder 3.
Okay.
This one's cylinder 4, but. So to do the leak down, you do not put a bunch of oil. Literally, all you need is this. Well, yeah.
I changed the oil, so it should be less contaminant.
Shit, I fucking missed. Fucking everything's so tall and long.
That's what she said.
Just tap it around so that it gets in there. That's all you need.
Alrighty. Guess I'll
That's back.
try it again.
I'll tell you what, go for the stick back.
Okay.
It's not. It's still fucking low.
But it shot up from
But it shot up from
where it was.
just a little bit. I mean, it's starting to leak a little bit, but you can see it's right around 160. Well, now it is. Shot up to a little under 180. Now it's about 160.
But just from that, you could tell.
Dude, yeah, this thing is. I'll do some. Let me just double check, because I can't remember all this shit off the top of my head, but pretty sure this entire fucking motor is making low comp.
Alrighty. Sorry about jumping all around, guys. We've been trying to deal with what the problem actually is, and it turns out that I actually have good compression relatively within the service period, and it actually was the O2 sensor that was making me run rough, but we still are not getting full acceleration past 4,000 RPMs. So it'll break up at like 4,000 and then it'll pick up. So we're thinking it could be fuel injectors or possibly the fuel pump needs to be replaced. Yeah, just a fuel related issue. So right now we're pretty much just buttoning up everything, and that's probably gonna be the end of today's video. Next one probably is gonna be not for a while because I gotta figure out what's going on, but until then, follow me on Instagram, JDrivenOfficial. It's gonna be down below in the description, and like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.